And hello, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And special guest Babe. Today we are going to be cooking a Honey Sriracha turkey meatball.
I would actually like to go on record that this is my recipe. So today it's Cooking with Babe and Josh.
Welcome back to Cooking with Babe.
And Josh.
And Josh.
As my special guest.
Oh,
Yes.
that's nice. Okay, let's talk about some of the things that you are going to need. Ground ginger, garlic, 2 eggs, black peppercorn grinder, garlic powder, of course the special ingredient, sriracha. We're gonna change it up. This is the chili garlic sauce, or do you want to use regular sriracha? What do you think? We're gonna use that.
Yeah.
Soy sauce, breadcrumbs, white wine, vinegar, pure sesame oil, of course, the ground turkey, and what is this called? This is not honey.
No, that's a healthier version.
It's a healthier version of honey. And we are going to make the honey glazed sriracha spicy turkey meatball. Yeah, get that.
Actually, I'm gonna do half and half.
Half and half. Half and half, people. Half and half.
Well, see, we're using this because we went on a tour to the Sriracha factory on Valentine's Day, but you can actually watch our video called Valentine's on a Budget.
That was good. That was a good infomercial. That was really nice. Okay, now we're ready for turkey meatball time.
With Babe.
So that was a 3-pound thing of turkey, but Babe's only gonna use 2 pounds
Yeah.
of turkey.
2
Right,
pounds
Babe?
of turkey.
2 pounds of turkey in the bowl.
Yes.
2 eggs in. Now you need 1 cup of
Breadcrumbs.
breadcrumbs.
Okay.
I thought this was Cooking with Babe.
It is.
I'm just the assistant slash cameraman slash just talker.
Yeah.
Talker guy.
You're a commentator.
I'm a commentator. Hi, ESPN commentation. You take the 1 cup of breadcrumbs and you introduce it into the turkey with the eggs. Put it in the bowl as we speak. Go ahead. Take it away, James.
So I like to use plain breadcrumbs. That's what I purchase at the store because you can actually season them however you want. So if we're making regular meatballs, then we can just use regular breadcrumbs and I add Italian seasoning. But since we're doing these ones, I'm leaving the breadcrumbs plain because they're just gonna be a filler to hold my meatballs together.
Now it's time for garlic powder.
You're supposed to do about a half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon of garlic powder and a half a teaspoon of pepper.
Just eyeball it.
Eyeball it. Babe was off camera. She did not wait for assistant Josh. She added in also 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. Now you have to make that concoction right there. You need to mix it all together and you need to use your little hands and make balls. So according to your notes, Babe,
Yes, babe.
that's gonna make 30 to 40 balls.
Or I can make them a little bit bigger since you
Bigger
do
balls.
lunch.
Big balls for lunch.
Meal prepping.
For meal prepping balls.
Yeah, we can make them a little bigger.
Little bigger balls.
Yeah,
For lunch.
big balls for lunch.
Big balls for lunch.
So I like to take a bigger spoon and I just grab a fair amount. I'm making bigger ones because these are used as your lunch. And drop them on there.
Time to go in the oven. 25 minutes at 375.
About twice the size, so it made half the amount.
Yeah. All right, our meatballs are baking in the oven. So now it's time to make the honey sriracha sauce to put over our meatballs. And since we're taking the meatballs with us throughout the week, we're gonna put a couple meatballs in with some fresh cooked white rice. And that'll be a nice little dish. So before Babe makes the sauce, would like to thank you for watching the show and the YouTube channel. This is a little hobby of Babe and mine. We have other cooking videos and lifestyle, travel, cigars, you know, all the fun stuff. So
Subscribe, please.
subscribe please, and hit the little like button and comment, and it'll be awesome. And share it. Take the copy of the link, put it on your Facebook, say, look at this couple and their hideous cooking skills. Anyways, back to the scheduled program of making the sauce. Garlic. Garlic. Chop, chop. Chop, 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 chop.
In the world. Okay.
So this is the Sriracha garlic chili sauce. And we're gonna do about a half cup of that and put it in the pan.
Straight from the Sriracha factory.
Straight from the Sriracha factory, from their hands to my hands into this pan's hands.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We did the Sriracha, regular Sriracha, and we did the garlic chili sauce.
Our meatballs are done. Our meatballs are done. Okay, so now, why is it so bright? 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, 6 tablespoons of the rice vinegar, and we're gonna bring this to a boil and we're gonna thicken it up. So now this is 6 tablespoons. I don't even think we're gonna have enough fake honey. Yeah, just squeeze the whole bottle in, babe. Yeah, just go bananas up in here. There it is, fake honey. So now 2 tablespoons of ginger. You could always use fresh ginger, but we're just being lazy. So we're gonna use that ginger. Is that 2 tablespoons? You just eyeballed it.
Sure.
Sure. Final ingredient. Oh, hallelujah.
This is Ghetto Cooking with Babe.
It's brand new title screen, Ghetto Cooking with Babe. So now this is gonna be 1 teaspoon of our pure sesame oil. 1. There you go.
So what we're doing is we're simmering it down, bringing it to a boil, and then we're gonna let it simmer for about 8 minutes.
Well,
Sorry.
They've been in there like 25 or 30 minutes.
Yeah, but they were bigger.
They were bigger, so we're still cooking at 375. Just whisk away your sauce. That's
You
called,
whisk my heart away.
that's called serenation. Serenading by Babe. Just whisk away your sauce. That's
You
called,
whisk my heart away.
that's called serenation. Okay, we just pulled them out of the oven. Sauce is still saucy. You're gonna coat the balls.
I'm gonna coat the balls with the sauce. Okay, so we have our meatballs all done. Our sauce is done. It's a little thick. I put them in the bowl, so I'm just gonna take the sauce and I'm just gonna pour it directly over our meatballs. Oh, that looks so good. Just to get them nice and coated. So we're gonna put a little bit of rice down. We'll put some sauce in there also. And then I'm gonna give you probably 3 meatballs, maybe 4.
Maybe 5.
Maybe 5.
Who knows?
Sure, babe. So as many as will fit, I'll put in there.
There's 1 package for work.
There you are.
On to the next one. As Babe's doing that, we could scroll the final portrait picture now! Babe, do you want to warn the good folks on YouTube?
These are really, really, really spicy.
Not really spicy, but they are definitely of the spicy variation, if you will.
They are spicier than you are.
Ooh, that's pretty spicy. Well, there you go. Thank you for watching. Until next time.